Hi there. My name is Mary Yocum, and I work primarily in the architectural and design segment for Schluter-Systems in Southern California. And on behalf of myself and the entire Schluter family, we wish you a warm hello, and we certainly hope that you and your family are doing well. And we really hope to see you live and in person sooner rather than later. So we're doing something a little different with our tips and tricks series. We wanted to talk about things from a design perspective. And in particular, today, I wanted to touch on using large format tiles in a shower environment. Now, tile is such an excellent product to use in shower and wet areas. It doesn't emit VOCs. It's easy to clean. It's very, very hygienic. And we have so many choices today. Styles and colors and shapes and accent pieces. So we can create something that is very dramatic, and we can create something that's very subtle. So one area to think about is the shower floor. I know that large format tiles are very, very popular, but tile doesn't bend. So we need to take into consideration how that tile is going to slope towards our drain. Now, the wonderful thing is we have so many design options today with styles and finishes that are compatible with plumbing fixtures, or styles that are very subtle and blend in with our tiles. But maybe we want to consider using a smaller format tile on our shower floor so that the contractor can slope that towards our drain, and then we use a large format tile on our walls. Now, we can use, and they're very popular, large format tile on our shower floors. Number one, we want to be aware of the texture so that we still have some slip resistance to it. And then we either want to consider potentially a line drain so that everything can slope towards our drain, towards our wall. Or if we are going to use a smaller drain, know that our contractor is going to make some cuts in our tile to be able to slope that towards our drain. But we have profiles that are compatible with these that all work together, and you can incorporate a variety of styles of either corner shelves, which in many families, maybe you have a couple of different shelves for the different people who are using that shower space. And I always like to mention, consider putting a shelf down a little bit lower in a space so women can shave their legs. And then one last element of design that I always like to at least mention is think about warming that either tile floor or your tile and the floor of your shower. It's a wonderful luxury. I always like to suggest it to my clients, and if they decide not to use it, that's their prerogative, but at least they're aware that that's an option. So there are so many other bits of information that's available to you. You can check out our Schluter website. You can see it on our YouTube channel. You can attend one of our many workshops that are either done virtually, or we are starting to do those in some parts of the country. And when in doubt, we hope you'll reach out to your local Schluter rep or our customer service team, because we're here to help you. So continued good health. We certainly hope to see you soon. Thanks for joining us.